Asem Kesee mu anesa obinya kwanya timachre wadwene interactive aspect a national organizer for the ruling National Democratic Congress. Ira Kofi Adams Masgovi match apom to say
oh nyame dia chem and so edana betuye the dasebema nyame.
Okay.
Yeah, essentially a day after my birthday, no, in Ghana. Birthday.
Wow. Happy birthday.
Been,
Happy
the Lord
birthday.
has been good.
Wow.
Happy birthday.
Okay,
wow.
and imagine about that's why social media who say phone you how wash white or sisters. In fact, and now so mommy who says hey o glasses nefe and I also so adempo kakra bi EP one phone. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Kofi, nyame Adom on the 8th of May, limited registration the ban as a party, our national organizer NDC. So far so good Anna.
Yeah, but now challenges kakra first and foremost, and maybe over if you no be I shada I Juma the way I expect, but enter that does be about 50 or 60 of the centers across the country. Be muna the whole day no na fidie nye Juma and I be Juma kra put me print just one card and the hono or how kakra ba ho na ebanu issues of registration malpractices are today na you pronounced registration of omundu 18 years especially in Ashanti region and then Eastern region and Okrama Kasakasa is in many of the registration centers, but my main kind of the third and the fourth day maybe na abafom and the minimum there they call next phase here parties all the actors are more involved no obia ready to justify in the aba there's obi ba be registration na nipa no ondru ana onya qualified ye wa kwenya ye befa edi ijumano and I believe that we call a region like Volta region, agents of MPPI imagine the Ubia or Beba Waba register. More like a mobile challenge. But so far, nothing has happened against anybody there. So we expect that the same thing because of our other regions. And to say, Ubia na join there or challenge here. Yemani Pano on challenge. So I see no reason why. In Ashanti region, NDC agency challenge na ye bro. The more challenge. And now Muswa Omunya 18 ya said that fake birth certificate be amamu. Our mu use it to justify of mu age. Now my parents are guaranteed to register no mu there. So certificate now mu using under proper scrutiny. Now, no crano bededia, you be prosecuted accordingly, including no parents now also signing the Nipano when you're 18, when you be Nipaninya 18, also we are liable to prosecution. But men can they generally the are okay. Estimated numbers now I expect whether by electoral commission and now political parties, so far, because I'm sure throughout the country, up to day 5, I'm sure that you up to 250,000 registered persons here. I doubt, and they said the next phase, and now more there. So the target of over 1 million, they sure that you be meeting estimated. Target, no. But me, I having any registration of minors in some regions. Other than that, generally, I did not call you. Now, maybe I'm more register minors na your agents, or more system na akwa the year broke one. But I do hope that the security agencies, especially police, for be acting swiftly and in a professional way to deal with the Asem Kesee Koso. Obia bro obia ye bibia e fa election one. Nipa no yem prosecuting the panel appropriately. Because me I had the registration a non-partisan. A non-partisan. Obi be troni dia onim be bia nipa no kra no obeto na ba no akọ. And I behave say and see ekodu rallies any real voting now and they asem na ebeto ye wo.
Okay.
So I believe that more obi a waye bibia say wabo obi na som say nipa na ye the party member or ye the party member or the second twa obi nipa na ye the party member or ye the party member again obi a waye involved in distraction of the registration process must be dealt with. Maximum sentences, maximum punishment. And I do hope that the judiciary and also because they send a stern warning to any day say the election process. Now the basabasayo aba or minimum. The 2 years are quite sure there will be sorry next time we'll be careful. Hey, to see me see here, or could they fiase for this number of months and years. And me so but me very careful.
Well, Kofi, what is it that you throw at your party? Say Makofa foreigners, say Omumbe, you're part of this limited registration so as a result, more a critique that unnecessary chaos at various polling stations. And what's it to say?
Minya, answer na yebeko registration crown. The master may na, especially MPP for any let my vote count for no more. Almost say Ghana ni bia or not Togo, ana Cote d'Ivoire, ana Burkina no onye Ghana. But omodia omo kasa asem no. Omo kotena UK dia na omo register wo ho na omo samba Ghana ha dia omo right. Minya, oh yes sir, then you are completely doing BBI against the law. Embrabia and Chile, we again and in our another of my to member registration, Ghana. So the best is that Nipano Betroni dia challenge Nipano. Not for evidence, bro. Nipaya our Betroni dino on ye Ghana. This is the reason. District Review Registration Review Committee no omo betlase. What they will Adam Sidin Kata and Bar. Omo here so senya wo kanu ye no kura. Of course nipa no ye be ni din efiro. Ye wo constitution no. Obotuma ye there obi maybe umu tribe enye tribe eka the tribes of Ghana. Ha. Now so ye wo nipa no wa. Na ye mra no so ye very clear on who qualifies to be recognized as a Ghanaian. So, for example, the mere fact that maybe maybe a Fulani does not mean that the person is not a Ghanaian. And you nomads for many of them, they were born here. They were born and bred here. They have become big families. Also, there are many of them are more in the military and other places. So we have high generalization now. Then you are creating a problem. Ghana no emrana yedi ejuma. Anything and kofo yeka de. Sa silly comments and kofo ye and I may yentuma me because me this religious person me say no and say enye. So I believe strongly that NDC any program be there ye kosisa omo omunya qualified. There will be a metro on the.
But the question is, but the question is, most nipa be free other countries ever for this exercise now. Is that the case?
Minya, within Ghana hakwa into means the san for MCO centers. And ye de call outside. So more outside. You be encouraging because your branches. NDC your branch ewo Cote d'Ivoire. Your branch also ewo Burkina. Your branch was Togo, Benin, Nigeria. Your branch was UK, Ireland. Your branch was Amsterdam, US of A, France. Your branches were hanging now because Ghana for. And unti ena unwa nanado anybody me campaign outside Ghana crossing Ghana because your Ghana for more outside. And unti ena mbrano ma rupa kwa de buy because you nimle Ghana for amanoni esen obia ye be ye ropal hu ye be di ropal hu komo ye hwe Ghana for Togo na ye the first place MPP for Modikan call ye time na no more power e den tina MPP aban be ko Togo for ropal implementation enya because Ghana for Togo and ye then na say Ghana for na wo de ballot box no koma hon the omuntu aba wo hon ene omo baga na abetro mudi a ese we keep up more metro. That is double standards. Sadi ye di echi a one obedi sadi echi.
I see. So point is that more sisa nipa bia ba omo Ghana for adehia omo these countries and other countries are waboding. Is that correct?
Omo ba yenkwa yenya sika everyday cost sanko for aba. They are coming on their own and more right because your members now more organized and they are coming. More fair, no more back as a group to come and register and right. Right. Me fa kobo and fa ko support you. They are outside the boundaries of this country. Ye join agents, registration agents, ye join on call allowance we. The amount on Indiana or feeding allowance or more on pen in cash or more general in cash or more okay day or more the Bemana in New January Brown. They are doing it in terms of food. We support our team, our mobile around to monitor. Any Jumadia in terms of financial expenditure. Beyond that, that's all.
Well, I see.
Local arrangement. Because registration, no polling station by polling station, centers. Center be over, you will be 3 and now 4, 5 polling stations, and Yakabuma, Yabia center. And the Nantiano, Ewakakra. The group be a Ubemuna, Grumpophobia, now my arrangement there, tricycle on fire and court, maybe Omuna Bay any pa 5, and now Omuna Lipa 4, no more far. Tricycle back and now more for taxi na you don't want center. That is how it is. Other than that, in India, nobody for me is bashing anybody from the side of the NDC. The embassy will be out.
Okay, so we'll wrap up on this. If you agree to the Finder front page story, the rate of violence in limited registration exercise, November 7 polls, danger looms. Could it be the situation? Nyame Adoma 7th November say we mponye edintwero mponye na dana nkasabeso as a political party or a national organizer. Say neighbor.
Yeah, me worried about the pockets of violence during the registration exercise, especially echo against agents and other observers or monam with EC tag or Moody or Bujuma. And to me worried. But me then Sunday in Bravo. Ye be registration obia ya cheno the why bibia and send fatano on embrabedi. That it to me no sa it will serve as a warning to obia why na there. Come 7th November and before and after no or be bibi aha or minor sumjua yetim. Now, I'm sure that it's going to calm down. Consent police for any CID, any the Attorney General's Department, our Mukura prosecutorial powers, sorry, now DH, they prosecute all these cases, successfully to the logical conclusion. Me sure that after registration, before elections, any after elections, any during elections,
well, a day after Workers' Day, other parts of the country or in the world, July 42 be to trust a demonstration. In the case of our beloved country, Ghana, even though but life of the Ghanaian worker under the watch of the NDC, Kofi, if you are giving them a message, and now a very critical observation, what would you say? Improvement, stagnation, or backwards?
I must say, challenges are Ghanaian worker. Improvement in society, aba nsesɛɛ so na ɛreba no ɛnyɛ nsesɛɛ a ɛyɛ just short lived ɛyɛ nsesɛɛ a ɛreba for the better. First and foremost, we had the implementation of salary structure, the single spine salary structure, Nankasa yet by a monumental improvement in the salaries of workers across. But enough there will be increased salaries. In Yamabisu or there, now onya the solid foundation for development. Now we have NDC by headed by John Dramani Mahama Oriya, solving each and every problems are confronted or minus step by step. Ensure hunsem kanie hunsem akwan hunsem ayaresabia na endorse wa any one kofo enyam panda who had the way of solving education opportunities for secondary and tertiary education. We had the levels now ODECO the methodic way of doing things. Ejumana Kasasu reviving otherwise defunct companies are Nanka Enya Ejuma Asay Aye or Mine Diana Kasasu. We have project now or done anima. A child there. Problems are Ewohono, Ogusua, Odi Hujuma to deal with the situation once and for all. And what case no ye be a free apochim. The Pinamuso still no FEC 1 or 2 challenges. President Mahama and Nabai or Mubedi Hujuma.
National Organizer, Really National Democratic Congress, Kofi Adams, we are so grateful, but belated. Happy birthday. So,
dear cake. Why? Cake now try, dear.
Okay, yeah, that's it. So that's it. Here, Kofi Adams is about to other political parties, no, now, so far, the observation of the process, limited registration, but Lions, they call Dodona and Fatitu, John Boadu, National Organizer, stroke acting General Secretary for the major opposition party, New Patriotic Party. Fredima Studios, or boy Coco, or say, but
I'm not for ladies, I will be seeing check what I is a bomb. Patrol Dubai, woman, your bomb, why? One crab, Afghanistan.
Strategist number. The Obama just 2 words to describe the situation.
Happy birthday, my Dr. Sechi, or Akimo Daga Hospital.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you, Dr. Sechi.
All right, so Dr. Sechi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Dr. Sechi.
Almost any edit pictures if we according to Mbremo. Nobody instruct me, nobody. Nobody.
When your picture, Papa Bia. Come on, couldn't no one trap picture, no one could Dubai more, Kesee.
Up your brother. Mr. Menima. Up your brother. Menima. Up your brother. Menima.
Oh, God have mercy.
Abba. Home number T. God have mercy.
Upon mercy upon. And Anna upon
I said, no. What is saying?
Oh, be able to now. I'm saying, make up on a million boom punimpu. Aha, na in some more cafe on the sorry about it because
yes, honorable Ben or
honorable Ben.
Honorable Care.
Okay, Japan coming once.
Make us a question.
Can Japan come in once? No, I'll take him. No.
Open insurance screen so make up on us. Nah.
Can Japan come in once?
What is that?
I'll take him on.
I'll say virgin passport there. Nipa there. You go man the first time. You go man the first time.
The first I went to Dubai.
I said virgin passport there. You go man first as man the publicity.
I'm on the fans.
And I'm oh there be any say or could be the bache.
You go Sulama. That's what he saying. Quickly, Sulama, they're from show and I say a bribe.
Sulama, I think that he was not in the right frame of mind for this game. We had an interview granted before the game now. No, see, Kotokoni has on final game here. What Kotokoni has there a gamer, and I think that has needs a psychologist for the entire team. Everything about money, meeting and quit them mom. Yeah. Also, when you game beer, yeah, or funny serious beer, and going deeper into the issues. No, Sulama Abdullah, I'm say. Within this week now, the family ni nua bako eda baby basa enye kura na em se na family ni person bona mane from investigations you when same say na that be in as to say na baby onu da enye ntini nua ba kokro America crime so obedu a omu na ehwe eye nua ntino na mo pese nkomodi hinta na nke biem so obo game ni bi but he was in the known until he was not in the right frame of mind for this particular game on shada ni adwen papa mu no de be see sa kensi we na say fofia nto ata
from your experience no ususu say spectators no teacher house fans no a chance here call for say young pound no yes most of them are claiming that they will not come.
In fact fans will always do that.
They will always
do that because somebody more passion and somebody anyama and Kotokone has about once in a while the whole season first round there once second round best number once view until yesterday is gone where the intimate some baby until a problem I'm say the bragging right omodian na mu basic this time na and as Asem no to na I think that any partnerable in their minds for the young player you know before say next time we see a player bia so obehu ne so timi yansan wura a game like this ade ba kwa manfo nim ne say back pass no a difficult say player dey sabechi at that time nti wo hwe ni ba bia player no so defender no so kwa dey back pass ne man no na ekoje ne sem na say Asem Kesee pa.
Finally, quite almost so a promote Kotoko match, you friend traditional media.
Yeah.
Now, so other
media, social media. Yeah.
Yen sustaining that enthusiasm. Say, Ebia, Adriana, any Ebia, a wafa for bois. Yen fasa kwenyan and chini panko park.
Yeah. I think that I agree with you. But say yen from Subia. The problem is that paying for a football anymore, Kromano. Say near due to Central for more bomb more than the game na akosuno oma neglect oma kata mani ho nti the source of motivation they be American say about transfer ha no apart from such a popo boatemu those days no more dey yan konkon omo commentary pure commentary no about in the new era no the pure commentary it went by but nobody rewarded him for anything on the namusa you understand because say those days they do has ne Kotoko games here every radio station be at very minimal radio stations kwenye this here as a busu say yetimi ye this here but over no obi ade the best foot and a commentary no commentary but then we say boys be at you so on from say more ha na boys be at you so on from so around ho now say so any your studio ntie be frɛ and say no na dey enthusiasm na tian samba fam say na ma we na you right fa na hu say nkofo bi bo adwuma o ma inject workforce bi dey shema e bo ma na matian ko I think say e betia bo ma na matian san ko no am say crowd e nya na be insida western na Mexico so e be insida it has to despite the fact that they lost the game no omo obenya profit so e baby e dey bo ma na ma ko dem
sponsor for the league
still any sponsors but has ne Kotoko go but go mean to me hu aban dey hu
Ghana yeah
I'm surprised say honorable Edwin Lilam Tivanapoy Minister for Youth and Sports oguso ti o na ye bo league no ye need sponsors na has ne Kotoko aban company no or they sponsor 2 clubs pay what about the other clubs Omo employ more than 50 players season BM. You understand? I say that company.
It has nothing to do with it.
It has something to do with it because it has something to do with it.
The GFA omo share league na so mo fra mo say okay, Kotoko management and then to me
no enya Kotoko management everybody knows the big thing Kotoko management and enya Kotoko management and enya has management working but I think that with a buying company he has influence to do that because the influence with $10,000 which was paid 6 years ago for Black Stars has been reduced to $8,000 then no there and they know to me I don't know to me no appealing to
but you see his influence no leading to a reduction in their
that is his job as a minister that's your job but sponsorship to leagues Premier League teams there
the clubs are suffocating they are going for Africa they use Ghana flags
appeal to him
clubs not for Africa the Ghana flags and they go Africa we don't appeal our responsibility to play I say I was part of a media committee omote ya na dey hye ba okwa ministry no ebe ma letterhead I ministry there
authorizing you
very good to go and seek for sponsorship for the particular event on the person so why so to me masa ina to me masa to me na the way na to me but I say na league na national league here if you don't understand maybe you don't understand what you are talking about but I'm saying that the league is a national event but I say
so the minister
16 clubs and we Ghana elite position
no that
the players who are playing for Kotoko the players who are playing for Kotoko
This argument on the other, maybe reason why I say medium to Kwamanani. They needed support.
Yeah.
If we say Omukoshe Ghana and Nimunyam and medium.
Very good.
Now it means that say a Black Stars here boy. Yen to me from Sikam any team. That me fan national team and go for
player no national
team. Somehow no it's a responsibility.
Let me stop talking and then save my breath.
Okay,
because I'm sure that intelligent minds are listening.
Okay, so that's it.
What are you come
so that's it.
Come up. Say because it was a currency no abuchedi no we ya obeshort to
Dirham to them. We know 120 dirham.
Oh, okay. Into the chow.
Dirham.
Yeah, kind of. Dirham.
Oh, there's a lesson on the man.
Don't come and expose.
Don't come and expose.
No, don't take advantage of
it. It is the biggest small so far.
Don't take advantage and expose me. Don't take advantage and expose me. Already, I'll take this man on.
Say, we wrestle in the Mexico. I tell you, some of them double pack. But I don't know one pack.
Nana, Nezen, come on.